Big up my Peter friend in the chill. See that people? Tell them so I nah go up in there. Yeah, man, I nah go up in there, man. I'm bridging up that pigs and Ackee. I go up the one there, I mean, I like it. So back. That's it. Yeah, man, Ackee. I mash up some Ackee in the day or in the evening. With some fried dumpling and some tea. Yeah, man, we are done breakfast and dinner, is it? Yes, my people, so now stay tuned. Yes, my people. Good night again, my people. Be a night I catch me, my people. But I don't know, big to do some other work, said you one thing. You understand? What you are going on tonight, my people? I mash up some fried dumpling and some Ackee and some saltfish, you understand? And I'm going to make some chocolate tea, you see it, my people? Yes, man, I do something easy in the night, my people. So I don't know we have done breakfast in a dinner. You understand? Everybody eat all them please. Everybody can eat, cook or do whatever they want to please themselves. So now stay tuned to see where I go on. You understand? Yeah, man. Yes, my people, see saltfish in a pot. Yeah, man, they're inside of cooking all night, you understand? So I put in the saltfish boil and we're going to boil the Ackee with that said way. You see when the Ackee cook up, you don't have to add no salt to the Ackee. Yeah, man. People are running some baking powder. You put the amount of baking powder as kind of the amount of flour you are using, people. You understand? Yeah, man. So I just have to freestyle my baking powder, you see? Come on, my dumpling them soft. I don't know if you have fried dumpling and you can broke out your teeth. I remember some of that when I say some people there when I have no teeth. You understand? I pay gum. So I put little salt in that on my paper. Yeah, man. I don't know, I just need it, but you don't want to calm in or nothing of this, my people. You understand? Fried dumpling, we don't have to put no calm in that one. Like how some of the one who are there. That's the festival, you know, so that have to spicy up. You the one is natural fried dumpling, you understand? I don't want to calm in that one. You can put in the city on my people, but you know, I don't want none in that. Yeah, man, so I need up the flour, so I want to stay tuned, my people. Hold on, my people. Before that, I can show you now. Go on over here. See that, my people? So you have to make your water boil up like that before you turn the Ackee, my people. You understand? You can't put Ackee in a cold water. No, never you do that. Make your water boil up. Yes, my people. So we're going to leave that and make saltfish to go and cook. So I'm going to stay tuned, my people. My people, you make them just like how you cook them. See me? Yeah, man. Everybody make them dumpling different in the people, but some make my dumpling, you understand? So if you don't like how I do it this way and do it no way, simple. See the people, the reason why you think that is when the fry to come up and actually then till it get round. You understand? So you pop a piece of flour like this, see there. You have to make sure you have a amount of baking powder on people, else you not go swell, you know. It will stay flat, but I don't know if it's flat still, you still can eat, you understand? Yeah, man, so I saw them, I show you one more. As I say, me don't bother than me, but go and do phone thing and me I do my thing with people, you understand? So when I see it, you do so and then we do so. Yeah, so I eat that with people. You can see what I go on with the Ackee over here, so now. Whoa. Yeah, man, the Ackee well cook me people, you see it? Yes, man, Ackee cook on. Alright, and saltfish boil. So we're going to put the saltfish to go and cool off in our water before we pick him up. So see, Ackee cook my paper. So I'm going to stay tuned to do my paper. Yes, my people. See my people. Put some in the island now. See the island, my people. A piece of skeleton in it, and one little piece of scotch bonnet pepper. Give the flavor, you understand, my people? Yes, man. So put in the dumpling them. Yes, man. Banana people, I'm the inside, you understand? Yes, man. I'm not what I do tonight. Inside. I'm going to go and fry. Get the fork. The people say you turn the fire down low. I'm going to turn the angle of the way because I don't want a part on the bones off and bone it, you know. So people, fire must be low. You see people how the masala come up? Exactly. Just like that, my people. See? So I make them take time go and fry and see Ackee. Yeah, man, I strain off the water so me know them there fry. Now we move on to the saltfish, you understand? Yes, my people. Yes, people, so see saltfish has cool down in the water, you understand? Yes, man, so I'm going to strip it off and pick it up. Yes, my people. This is the saltfish boiled and skull. Boiled or skull, anyone you want to call it. So this is how we clean it off. You're not going to get rid of everything. Yes, people. You have a saltfish, you must strip already. But I overseas alone, I see the one there, you understand? And man, me dip on tour and buck up the one there. You really glimpse your yard, that's too. So this is how we do it. We're gonna clean it off of that. We're gonna broke it up. So I'm gonna stay through the paper. Hang on, and that's how we see all the strips. Go on. Break them in small pieces. Yeah, like that. You have to go to fine because you want to taste the saltfish in your Ackee. You understand, people? You remove the bones them. Throw that out the stuff you puppy them, you see me? Yeah, man, so. Yeah. Just like that. So I just want to see how I fry it up, my people. See the seasoning right there, so. My people. Up already, saltfish pick up already. Put up some seasoning. The short of tomato pick, but I don't really love use tomato in my Ackee. But you can do phone thing phone away, you understand? When you have garlic and pepper, my people, you even have to use onion, you understand? Yes, my people. So cut up the onion and you. My people. You think you can chop up? You can steal it. Everything I dice up and cook. So that's the white one on the paper. We have a piece of the purple one. Style up the thing, you understand the paper? And if you sharpen up people, you know what me I do, you understand? You don't want the finger make up the season. See it? Remember, people, to the menu of fried dumpling, not even to the like tonight menu. You understand? So, shoot a video earlier on to the people with me yard, you understand? So I did do some cleaning up and thing, but you don't rush to cook because we have outside kitchen and we have inside kitchen, so we cook anytime, many hours with people. Even 2 a.m. in the morning, anytime when I want me to cook, I say, hey, get up and cook some food, man. And shoot up something to see what I want, you understand? And what I say in my next video, big up Sunrise boss, you understand? Big up Rasmussen said we. Don't know anything all we are one all Jamaica, you understand? Yeah man, a Sunrise channel I watch and know so I can get up and do something people, you see it? I'm not teaching me to cook it, I don't get it wrong, you know. I get it twisted, you understand? But I never know about no YouTube thing. I want them just go up on YouTube and in general let me see a tourist on food. I mean I say Jaja, I can go try out this man and go and occupy my time for real people. So big up to Sunrise boss say that, and other people did go see my thing. So this goes out for the young youth, they wanna like work and I like do nothing to help themselves. I want them get up. Cause enough shot out there we can cook, you know. Yeah man, and I pick up badness, so I put on your badness and go cook some food and show the world what I want. You see me I say? Yeah man, one love, blessing, and keep tuning into you and soon see your side. Wait and oh, you have the onion, this is the white onion, this is the purple one, this is the ripe sweet pepper, this is the green one here, so scotch bonnet, this is a people out of one part there. See garlic and see skeleton, cut up there. So we have to fry up and people. See that? Well hot enough people. Hot fatty thing name, you know, and where go. You see the oil well hot my paper, you know, but I get my time to make a seasoning bun up. I turn the saltfish right away and cool them back the oil. You understand? So now what we're going on, you see? Oil cool down so the season can bun up again. Yes, my people. Yep. So I make the saltfish get little color, so we have little time. You don't move, you know, don't move. Paper. I want to keep stir. Make the saltfish catch the color. Keep stir, so you don't want it burn, so you have to keep stir. You don't want to burn up nothing to eat, you understand? You can't burn up is still for your food and I eat, you know, not get me wrong, but you know burn up anyone. Now what's up? Not at all, I want burn up something I love with people. I guess I want to guess and tell me how. Plus on them on them, could have bun till it black like a car tire. It have to hit. Sunday Monday, sweetest man. No matter you cook your rice and peas on Sunday, no people. You know, nice. You see, you know, wake up Monday morning, hearty up. Lord Jesus Christ, look at me here. Some money run over at it up there in the night. You understand? A little big in the kitchen. Yes man, so you see that while ago, happy that you know people. But before we do that, you know, when I watch this, we have some black pepper. You say man not eat black pepper, but me I eat it. Yeah man, look like the pepper my Ackee, you understand? Yes, my people. Something to carry you home, and then I go be a little like this. Because you don't want the Ackee then mash up, so you take your time, and you turn it up, you understand? Yeah. Take your time. Just like that, my people. Yep. Yes, man. So Ackee and saltfish up. So I'm going to cover this and make it steam, young. Yes, the next time I'm going to see me up me pot, my people. You want to go on, you know, man. You're not hearing them, people. Oh, sorry, I mean, you're not hearing good, man. I just hear them. I say food time. I love that. People. Yeah man, so you don't know. The people say tea time and know. Make some tea, awesome. Oh. Same thing with people, awesome. Make some tea and some tea in the night. Some fried dumpling and Ackee and saltfish, so I turn breakfast in a dinner or supper. See my paper? So that's it, my paper. I'm going to put a little bit of sugar, not too many in it. Yes, man. And that's on my paper. And I'm going to spice it up with a little vanilla. Watch what go on, my people. See that? Yes, my people. We don't have the nothing already, so I don't have to put none. But I saw my love spicy, my people, so the whole on there. Grab a bad spoon, man, you know. Tureen around, pot to a sprite. Tureen. Keep the paper dark and pretty, yes, man. So now catch me in the next chip look a bit from this. I got a pot, you know. Yeah, people. See what's going on here? Yeah, man. Food time. Keep my paper. Use a spoon because I really want to grease. Because I don't too love the grease, you know, my people. If you can't see mountain, I put the get up from me, but I don't know. So that's have to go on some of the time. You understand? So you see Ackee and the saltfish, my people. Hey, man, don't tell me how it look. Yeah. See that? Yeah, saltfish. I'm going to let you know because I don't want to do any bakes with me, no, people. You see people who tell us I have no teeth, they will bake with me for that. Ackee and saltfish. Oh God. They have no teeth or so gum. Alright, so I go over the table. See me right at the table here, my paper. And tell me if you don't like my table settings, you understand? I get you, but you don't know how to set the thing right. Try to do what we can do. So we have some tea. We have a jug of water, a glass of water. You understand the paper and see fried dumpling right also. So this is my one, you know, everything is mine. Feel me. So me I take out my phone to eat it. Eat me paper. Yes, me paper. I don't think I can go no more. So I eat this me paper. We have the tea. Yeah, man, a big sit down, you know. I'm a little inside kitchen with paper, so I'm going to pour some tea in my little. Yes, my paper. See it? Chocolate tea. Ooh. Thank you, Jack. Blessed be thy name. Yes, Father, I'm going to pour out a glass of water. Because I think I'm going to drink some water before I start to eat. Because of the kitchen hot, my people. You understand? So I'm going to rest my water right to some people. When you don't know, my slow go going up, people. You understand? Like, subscribe, and share. And you can link down in the comment section to make Ella Bigs know what go on for what I go on. You understand the people, so blessings. I know I don't want to see this still. I know so I don't want to check out and see what go on when I taste the Ackee and thing and thing. I know it will cost me, you know, my people, so you see it? Ackee and saltfish. Hold on, let me taste it again. I don't want to do nothing of fake thing with the pan, you know, people. You see it? So this time I try to take up some sweet pepper in it. You see it? Yes, man. So I'm forced to eat the food, people. Me say I go drink your water, but boy. Dumpling. Well fried. A bad man as people for eat and talk, so here we are going. I go check out now, so bless up on yourself, my people.